Moving is so difficult. I'm just sitting here overwhelmed. I really love my living room. It's really hard to leave. Getting ready to take my couch down. It's a handmade couch, so I just got to get those screws out. I'll get dirty anyway, so. Bye.
A lot of you guys say you rescue animals before, but I only ever intervene when I think it's necessary. So the fire is inevitably going to come back up.
That stays. It's one of the camper. It's almost all my stuff. This is the next chapter. Got your shower, bathroom, living area. It's pretty nice. Hot. Mom turned the radio on. Well, it looks more messy in here now. So that's where I'm gonna be living. And me and Mom are gonna tap into the local barbecue joint. Might as well. Okay.
Triple burner gas stove. You can take the rack off for cleaning. Additionally, you can pop the top off to get underneath for cleaning as well. Jesus.
Whoa, it's dirty. Oh my
Okay.
god.
So you can lift this up, pull it toward you,
It's rusty. Yeah.
get it off those 2 clips in the back
Look
to
at
clean
that. Look at that. Okay, I'll have to clean that real good.
Make sure these are tight and secure. They have screws in the back. Your gas comes out in here and sucks in air, secondary air to mix.
Okay.
So
Very cool.
make sure that area stays clean. That one's missing a rubber stopper.
Yeah.
So are these. It's supposed to look like that.
Okay. I might get some more.
Knife storage.
Stop, for real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't use this plug-in.
Oh my god. That blew. Don't do that. Don't do What are you doing?
It's a tester.
Oh, really?
Yeah, actually it's good. Somebody probably dropped something like a metal chain on the back of it, a necklace or something.
Oh.
So you got paper towel holder with lighting.
Yeah. Oh, it's clean. Yeah.
Cheapo. If you push this in, it'll run on the propane only,
That's cool.
and automatic temperature control, which really sucks.
So what?
For some reason the check light's on, but I'm gonna leave it on electric. Your door opens with this, push that in. You can open these, move these around.
There's ice back there.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
Okay. Put my ice cube trays in there.
Climate control switch. Up here you could slide this around for the temperature control.
Yeah. Cool.
Carbon monoxide alarm.
Yep.
This up here is going to be your signal booster. So you can plug it in a cable and pick up channels from the antenna located here.
I was wondering what that was.
This is how you deploy your antenna.
Well, I won't need it. I'm just gonna do internet stuff. Netflix, YouTube, Hulu.
That's got to be greased once a year on the top, and basically you get free cable.
Really?
See, Mom, the camper comes with an antenna for channels on the air.
That's what I was listening.
Yeah, but you push the button and make sure it's on. There's a light up here.
Real hard.
Let's see the gap.
Oh yeah.
The right side is drooping down.
Kind of big though.
You probably just need to take the door off and put a couple washers on it. This is a skylight for extra headspace. That'll keep most of the heat out with the aluminum foil there. But I've got some bubble wrap foil that is made for RVs and trailers.
Okay.
You can light up this one.
I like this. You can plug in right here too.
Yep. That's going to be your GFCI. If for some reason your plugins don't work, check and see if that's tripped.
Okay.
Because it controls a lot of your plugins. It's like a breaker for the plugins.
Bless you.
And here's another clogged aerator. Just unscrew that. You'll
Wow.
see the gasket, the actual aerator part. And your screens. Push that out of there. This should be in 2 parts. Screens come out, you clean them. This, you can separate the two by prying that center hole. Pop that top off and clean all the calcium breakup inside of these holes. And you can see up inside of there.
Yep. Oh, that is, wow.
Calcium.
That's crazy.
Yeah. bright it is with them open.
So let's give this a bit of a wash. A wash.
Pretty cool.
That's it.
So, this is the camper I bought first for pretty cheap. But then I ended up in the other fifth wheel, or the fifth wheel situation. So now I have this just sitting here, and I've been trying to sell it, but I haven't really had anybody want it. It's got a little bit of damage, and the slide is on track, which is good, but the issue is, like, there's damage right here, and that's just, the wall is poured apart from the slide. That's the issue. So this wall and this need to be reattached to the box, but the box is still correct. It's still on the, I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but anyways. Pretty big camper. This is a 31 foot. Huh?
Your awning's on the other side.
The awning is on this side, but that's the slide on the other side where it comes out.
No, it's not.
I mean, this camper needs a lot of work, but the price I got it for, I was gonna live in this one and fix it up. This room needs work, but everything else is in really good condition. Everything works. All the electric works. It's got a nice bathroom. It's got a whole back bedroom. I'm still thinking about fixing this one.
Well, I want it.
So fix. You want it? So fix the camper up for Mom.
Yeah. I didn't come live beside you.
You could.
Knife storage.
Stop, for real?
Yeah.
Okay.